Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to do math in Python. First, we write the good old print command and then the two parentheses. Again, without the quotes since we're doing math. And then we can write anything we want. So for example, 7 plus 1. Now 7 plus 1 should be 8. So as you can see when we run it, it prints 8. Now we can do this with 7 plus 5 for example, which equals 12. And we can not only do addition, but we can also do subtraction. So let's just say like 8 minus 4. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. And we can also do this with division and multiplication. So for multiplication, we use the star symbol since x won't work. Like that x, it won't work. So now it should be 32. 8 multiplied by 4. And we can also we do division, so slash for division. If you don't know, slash is also used as the different symbol for division. So as you can see, there should be 2 since there are 2 4s in 8. Now in the next video we'll learn how to make a working calculator in Python that can interact with you and you can type the values. Bye.